Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
We just finished practicing. Well, this is her last practice before the DMV opens in 30 minutes. We're at the Broward County DMV. Before I get into the video, I gotta go into my asking you guys to support the channel by buying something from the store. If you notice, I am wearing my hat. That is one of the products that is in the YouTube store. So I have this hat in black, blue, and white. I have hoodies, I have t-shirts, I have bags, I have phone cases. Just go into the store, buy something, anything, just to support the channel. Just your way of saying thank you for the hundreds of videos that I have made that I keep hearing about how useful and how helpful they are. Just do something by, buy something by support the channel. Anything. Alright, so we're gonna run through the test. They're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn it left from the curve, put it in park, then pull up on the parking brake, and then turn off the ignition.
Cool. Alright, go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press and release the brake. Okay? Again, they're doing that to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horn's working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. And yeah, the examiners are back in the car. I have to say that each time because, people are still watching older videos and thinking the examiners are calling you on the phone. They've been back in the car now for about 3-4 months. All right, so we're gonna reverse from here and go to the left. So put the car in reverse. We're gonna back straight out. Looking both ways here, right? As soon as your mirror gets to the end of the line, back up a little bit more. You're gonna stop about there and turn all the way to the right. And look behind you as you reverse. Okay, that's good enough. Put the car in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign and we're going to make a right turn. Now here they can tell you to go right or left, right? In this case, we're going to the right. So you make sure, as soon as they tell you that they're making a right, you put on the turn signal. Alright. Go ahead and make your right and then make a quick right. So you make sure there's no cars coming into the plaza when you come here. And then we're gonna go straight down. And these people are always standing in the middle of the road. I don't get it. Like, that makes no sense whatsoever. But I see it everywhere. They need to fix that damn path. Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn. So signal right. And stay close to your right side here. Alright, make a left. And you stay close to your right side because remember they're gonna ask you to do the speed up and sudden stop thing. Alright, so stop about here. And they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead and speed up 20. And stop. Okay, that's cool. Alright, reverse straight back. Look behind. Look in the middle here and just roll straight back. So just keep looking back the whole time. And here you don't need to press no gas or anything. Just let it roll straight back. And they'll tell you when to stop. So stop about here. Cool. Put it in drive. And we're gonna go down and we're gonna make a left. We're gonna do the parking and all of that. So just like you're doing, every time they tell you to turn, you make sure you signal. Because if you don't signal, you're going to lose 4 points for each one. And you don't want to lose points. Alright, so we're going to go down. We're going to park in between the cones here. So you go up, line up your mirror, go up a little bit more. And we're going to, that's a good. Signal left, turn all the way left. And when you get to the middle here, you just straighten the wheel and pull straight in. And just like that, stop. Cool. Alright, now they're going to tell you to reverse and go to the left to do your 3-point turn. So, look behind. As soon as your mirror is past the end of the line, you start turn. When you pass the cone like that, you turn all the way right. Turn right, all the way to the right until it stops. Look behind you and continue to reverse. When your mirror is past the middle here, you stop. So the middle line, when your mirror is past the middle, that's when you stop. Okay, go ahead, put it back and drive. Close to your right side. Pull up next to the right lane. Or the right parking lot. Just don't go into the parking space, just pull up next to it. Because now they're going to tell you to do the 3-point turn. So you're going to stop about here. Signal left. Turn all the way left. And we're going to go forward. Alright, that's good. Put it back in drive, in reverse, all the way right. And again, when your mirror is past the middle, that's when you stop. Okay, put the car back in drive. Signal left, turn left. Alright, so we're going to go to the stop sign and stop. And then make your left turn. Alright. So when you stop, count to 3, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to make the left turn and then make a quick left turn. And on the left here. This man is still here with his big old truck. They're going to tell him to move as soon as they open. Alright, so we're going to a park next to the truck. So you come up here again and you line up your mirror with the line. Alright, signal left, turn all the way left. Watch this man. And straighten up, pull straight in, and stop. Cool. So, how do you think you did?
I think I did all right.
You did good. You really just have to listen to what they tell you to do and just do it. It's pretty straightforward. All right, so she's gonna be testing in about 20 minutes. The DMV opens in 20. She'll be one of the first one to test. So I will put in the description what she got, but I'm sure she'll pass. Alright, so again, I'm going to ask you guys to go into the store, buy something, buy a hat, buy a shirt, buy something, anything to support the channel. And if you have not subscribed already, I would be puzzled to kind of understand why you haven't. And tell everybody about the channel. Anyone that needs to learn to drive, or anyone that needs to learn anything as it relates to driving, right? Because the channel is not just about learning to drive. It's about learning to park. It's about learning to change lanes. It's about learning all manner of skills that is necessary to be good at driving. That we all know, not everyone that drives knows how to drive properly, right? There are literally thousands of people driving on the street that have driver's license that are not really good at driving, because the actual test to get a driver's license is quite easy. Honestly, it's ridiculously easy in my opinion, but you know what I'm saying? That's neither here nor there. So people, just tell everybody, support the channel, you know? Hit that notification bell. I post every Monday. I have actually been posting every Monday for more than a year and a half. I post some Thursdays, but religiously, videos are scheduled months in advance to drop Monday mornings at 8. And I've been doing that consistently. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.